A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing good at home. I welcome you all in English class, and today our topic is tense. Today we are starting with English grammar, and the topic we are starting is tense. You must be aware with the topic because tense is the root, or we can say bone of grammar, because the knowledge of without the knowledge of tense we can't learn English, because tense are main fundamental pillar for learn speaking and writing correct English. For speaking or writing correct English, it is necessary to know tense. Now question arises, what is tense? Tense is a form a verb takes to show the time it happened. So the verb having three forms. We all know that verb having three forms: first form, second form, third form, or present form, past form, or future form. So we use the verb as per the time in which action have happened. See one more definition of tense. A tense is a form of a verb and it indicates the time of an action. See, tense is a form of a verb. It's a form of a verb only, and it indicates. Indicate means it is pointing or it shows the time of an action, means in which time that action have happened. So it shows the time, because for knowing anything it's necessary to know in which time the action have happened. One more definition. The tense is the change of form in a verb to express the time of an action. Means we change the verb only so that we can show the time in which action have happened. God, I hope you have understood that. Tense means it's a change in verb so that we can express the time in which action have happened. Okay, one more definition is here. Tense denote the time of action as well as the state. Means it denotes the time in which action have done. So we have seen many definition of tense, and we have came to know that it is mainly belongs to time, the time in which action have happened, we have done something. So to represent the proper time in which activity or something have done, that is only tense. Okay, so here tense have divided into three parts: present, past, and future. Okay, how we can understand it? Suppose we have done something. Okay, done means action, we have done some action. So it will be it will represent the time in which time we have done that action. Okay, and that time will be either present or past or future. See, in next, here I have showed like this. P, it is written, it's P means present. Okay, where we are standing, this is circle, it's present. Where I am sitting, I am standing, it's present. If we look behind, if we are looking behind, okay, it's past. If we are looking forward, it's future. Behind means which have done already, which we have done. Okay, it's past, and which we are going to do, it's future. So mainly tense have divided into three parts: present, past, and future. Present means now, this time. Past means which has already gone, which we have done already, and future means which we are going to do, which will come. Okay, so mainly there are three tense: past, present, future. Okay, so our chapter number 7 in our English grammar, it's tense. Yes, so now we are going as per the book, as per the textbook. So chapter number 7, tense. The tense of a verb tells us about the time of an action. The same definition we have learned, we have seen already. It tells us when the action is, was, or will be carried out. Okay, means action have done, or it will be carried out. The time could be in the past, present, or future. Got? The main thing is that only the tense of a verb shows us the time in which time action have done, or it time will be either present or past or future. So first today we'll cover the topic present tense. We'll see what is present tense. It's very clear with the name present, means which is present now. available now, it's present tense, okay, which is happening now. So this topic we are going to discuss today is in our Zoom class. So be on time, and before that, read this chapter, read whatever given in the book, so that it will be easy for us to discuss and you can raise your question also. Okay, so for Zoom class, be on time, and it's time to say bye. See you. Bye. Take care.